I'm Ilza Henry with Ward White Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to my new listing at 204 Baltimore Boulevard in Sea Girt, New Jersey. This exquisite 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom home is located just 2 blocks to the beach and 7 blocks to the center of town and features 4 full levels of living space. I love how this house combines old world charm with its beautiful exterior along with modern day amenities, which include a bright and open floor plan, an elevator that stops on all 4 levels, a home theater, and a beautiful Aga range. Thanks for taking a tour with me of this beautiful home. If you have any questions or would like to take a private tour, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thanks and have a great day.